So I'm Damien Ryan. I work for Hark Systems as their Principal Technical Services Specialist. G100 is ever-changing. In today's energy landscape, the need for efficient and reliable export limitation solutions has never been greater. Until the creation of our distributed export limitation solution, the market was seriously lacking in comprehensive options. At the time of its inception, only 4 ENA type tested solutions existed out on the market. The majority of them, they fell short in addressing the complexities of multiple inverter groups and long distance transmissions. The new amendment means that you no longer have to isolate. You are allowed a period of excursion. And we identified very quickly that there wasn't a G100 solution that did active power management. Many of the solutions operated on a single isolation principle, immediately cutting off the PV production, regardless of the site's unique demands. Our solution addresses that need. We built our solution based on the ability to be able to reduce generation rather than isolate it immediately. It enables distributed export limitation, which basically means you have multiple generation assets spread across either multiple sites or multiple buildings within a site. Our approach allows us to be able to integrate with each of the individual inverter groups or inverter strings and manage them independently, but treat them as if they are a single unit. Moreover, our solution isn't confined by distance. So whether the installations are self-contained or they're spread over vast distances, the solution still remains robust. We can utilize both wired and wireless technology and provide flexibility without compromising reliability. There are many standalone type G100 solutions that are hardwired, instant isolation of an entire site, but there aren't many, if any at all, that are capable of active power management or wireless communication. So much so that it's been recognised by the ENA and endorsed, providing us type test approval, which obviously means that we can give to our customers assurance of its reliability and compliance to the regulations. We can install into buildings that might be hundreds of meters apart or even miles apart, utilising wireless capability if networking is not there. Any installer can buy our product and install it themselves if they wish. And because of how we configure our remote access capabilities, our technical trained engineers here can support them remotely while they're on site. They could take it and install it without any third-party costs, but while still having the relevant skill sets and knowledge sat on the other end of the phone, dialed into the units, doing the pre-commissioning for them, and obviously helping them out with tests and other things. When it comes to export limitation, I say don't settle for outdated solutions that are likely to introduce challenges further down the line. Our export limitation solution is the smarter, more efficient choice for today's energy challenges.